Hey, what is up, everyone? What is up? Welcome to my channel, UyghurMan. Yo, guys, I'm about to move, guys. I want to show you guys how messy is the house now since I'm moving from the California. I have a lot of things to do. I need to empty the whole house. That's why you can see here's no more instrument left. This is a light, should not be here. And I will show you guys how messy the house is. I'm about to move, right? Look at this. This is all the shoes I have. If you guys want to pick up, this is all shoes for giveaway. And look at this. Here's my computer. I don't have a computer these days, so that's why I'm streaming with laptop. With my iPad right now. See, that's why last couple days I'm not able to make video. Look at this. I need to sell this baby bed, that the TV stand over there, and this set, and then I'm ready to go. I can't wait. I can't wait to see that day, but but I will definitely, I definitely have a lot of things to do. That's why I didn't able to make videos these days, and a lot of people ask me where you about to go. To be honest, I'm not even sure. Me and my wife have a lot of plan, a lot of different choice in different state. But we will just do the road trip kind of stuff, and then when we find somewhere nice, we'll just stop by and lease the apartment from there. I wish it's gonna be a really awesome trip and awesome journey experience. Hey Skeptic, how you doing, bro? I'm about to move, man. I'm about to move. I just showed how messy the house is. And I have some shoes for giveaway. If you guys want to get your size, if you want to just check your size, just let me know. I mainly have some, the majority shoe size is my size, like 10 to 11. Look at this. This is all my shoes. If I don't want to keep all the shoes with me, so and I have a lot of shoes here. So it means I need to give away or donate some of my shoes here. So if you guys want, just leave your shoe size. If it match, if I have some for you. If your shoe size is 11 or 10.5 or 12, just let me know. I have some shoes for you, and I have also some woman size shoes for your giveaway. That's all, guys. I can't even yeah, thanks. We about like 3 years ago, when I came from New York to California, I basically traveled all the north state, across all the state and the north of America, and I got to California. This time I wanna go from the South America, south part of America, and keep crossing. And if we find somewhere beautiful, somewhere nice, or somewhere cheap, we will just go and we will just start looking for new apartment over there, and maybe stay there for 6 months or a year. It's gonna be a nice trip and a nice experience. Or maybe I will keep going, keep moving. Maybe after I got this destiny, our new place, when we settle down, and then we will keep going different camping, different nice beautiful cities, so I can show you guys more and more beautiful view on the video. But now, because of I'm just moving, I'm not able to make too much video, guys. That's why maybe the video quality is also not as good as before because of the iPad microphone. I don't know how good it is, or I can try later. But the majority time, I would just do driving, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen. But I will try to make video on the trip easy, like when I drive a whole day and then I can come back to the hotel and use the iPad to edit the video and upload it to my Facebook, YouTube, so that you guys can see. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, as you can either contact me from the Facebook or Discord or leave a comment. That's gonna be cool. So yeah, there's a couple reasons why I start moving California. First of all, if you have been following me, you know the weather here is getting really not that good because of the air quality is getting worse because a lot of fire is going on here. So that's one of our reasons. Another main reason is it's expensive, and my company is closed, so I don't have a job. I have some saving for me to survive, but hey Minnie, how you doing? I can survive with my family for a couple months, but I don't want to spend that much of money in California. Rent just too expensive here, and rather than that, I can just leave, right? I can leave and I do my road trip. I go to see nice places with my family. That's what is my dream is. And if you know what channel is this, I am UyghurMan, right? UyghurMan belong to Uyghuristan or East Turkestan. I would be happy if I can stay there, but in America, wherever cheap and wherever nice is the best starting point for me. It's like I don't want to just stay the most expensive places in America and for the smallest apartment I ever lived, and with my life, with my wife, with my family. So, and I want to give my daughter a little bit moving space in the future, so I need to move somewhere cheaper so I can afford a bigger spot. I'm good, Mini. How are you doing? A long time we didn't talk, right? Yeah, I'm about to move next week. No, there's like a couple days left. That's one is because of the air quality of California is getting bad, and another reason is it's getting expensive for me since I lost my job because of the Chinese virus. And everywhere is same for me as a Uyghur. I don't have any hometown in America. As long as I'm safe, I'm not get surrounded by Chinese communists or anything, like I'm not gonna deport it back to Chinese Communist Party, then I'm fine. I feel I'm super blessed, so I don't care wherever I go, as long as I can afford, as long as I have a nice space to stay, so I can do it. Based on my financial situation, I need to go somewhere cheaper. So and I want to keep explore different places during our young age with my wife, and we want to drive our car to see different state to keep traveling, and that's a real cost efficient spend, for us. If we let me give you a direct plan, like direct budget plan. Here in California, in San Francisco, yes, and it's gonna be bring a lot of nice video if I stop by somewhere nice and I shoot video for you guys. it's good choice too. In San Francisco, I'm spending $2,000 for this 1-bedroom small 550 square feet apartment. Not apartment and single house, but it's like apartment. It's super small, 550 square feet, and with my daughter, with my wife. For us it's okay, but for the $2,000 I think it's not worth to spend, you know. But with $2,000, if I can go somewhere cheaper, like $500 a month or $600 a month, there's some places in America, there's a lot of places you can afford apartment like even bigger than what I'm living now. It's only gonna cost $500 to $600. So the rent I'm paying in here, 1 month's rent I can spend 3 or 4 months in some cheaper state. So what's the reason for me to just live in the most expensive houses area? You know, there's no point, and we not even step out from the house. I'm making video all the time, so I can go somewhere cheaper and still doing the same thing since internet is everywhere. So, you know, that's why we're about to, the main reason we're about to move. And another sense is I really like a trip. You know, Uyghurs or all Turkic people, we are nomadic. We like keep moving. I don't know, I hesitate that or not. Is that the reason why I'm moving? But personally, I like keep moving too. After graduate, I have no direction. I just drive my car. I come to California single. Now I got married. I built my family in California. Now my wife also really happy to move with me anywhere I want. So I would say let's go to trip first. Let's start our trip. Then we will stop by somewhere nice, and then we will get the lease and stay there for a year. And if you like it, we will keep staying. If you don't like, we will keep moving. That's our nomad life, actually. Yeah, that's we are nomadic people. So in America, I'm trying to keep my nomadic lifestyle also. And there's gonna be more experience. There's gonna be more view. I gonna see in the future beautiful places in America. We may need a camp. We will camp some places. If we saw some really nature beautiful place, we will stop by and we will camp there, and and then I can record more nice video for you guys. Yeah, we're about to move, and the house is messy. Next week, I'll start to dump everything, all the junk, and make the house is like exactly what we rent. It means it has to be super clean. It has to be nothing left except just I mean everything. I need to dump everything, and then ready to move. So next future 1 week, it's gonna be a lot of work for me to do. So if I'm busy, if I'm not able to make that much of video, please understand, guys. But I will make sure every day during the trip I will just make a short video on YouTube like this, or do some short live stream like this to you guys to see and keep update where we going, what's our life situation, how is the trip, everything. So I wish you guys keep following and stay tuned my trip. It's also can call the justice journey, because I have no destiny to go, but I have a soul. I know what I gonna do. You know, wherever I go, wherever I stay, I know what is my goal, because I'm a justice believer. I keep speaking for the justice, even though they start threatening my fathers now, right? You guys just my last video is about how China threatening my father, right? After they threatened my sister, now they're threatening my father. Even though like that, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going, keep speaking up, keep talking about what's going on to Uyghurs, how they try to do these horrible things to us. And I wish one day soon Chinese Communist Party just end. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying they will stop. I'm saying they should end. This regime should not exist anymore. Should not exist anymore. The world need to be back to the peaceful life like before. So we need to end this evil regime, and that's why my soul is not gonna change. My goal is not gonna change, and that's why even though I don't have a destiny, I'm still keep going. Okay, guys, I'm still keep doing what I'm doing now. Speak up for my people, and we will write the book. During the time we are already writing like 1/7 of the whole book of Miradil Hasan and UyghurMan's journey. We will keep working on that. I wish you guys keep supporting us, support our channel, support our YouTube, support our Patreon. We would really appreciate. And thank you so much. If you guys have any question, please let me know, and I will try my best to update my justice journey with you guys, and I will see you guys next time, guys. Thank you, thanks for watching, and I wish everything will be fine, and thanks for you guys watching again, and I will see you guys next time.